Okay, so today we're going to be covering Schoology conferences. All right, so first you want to go to your course, and on the left margin, you're going to see conferences. You may need to do this step, which includes going to the App Center, scrolling down, looking for conferences, when you get here, you want to go ahead and install the app, agree to the terms, and make sure each one of the courses that you have students in has a check mark next to it. Notice I did not check the one about the admins. Then you can install it, go back to courses, look on the left margin, find conferences, and here's where you want to create a conference. You want to give it a name, make sure you have it a unique name so students will see it. Go ahead and give it a start time, which includes the date and the actual time, and an end time. So when these conferences are recorded, they'll be available to students for up to 7 days. So this is what the students will see. They'll see the title when they go into their course, and you as the teacher would start the conference at the time that you've scheduled it. Then you're going to go into this screen where you're going to do an echo test to make sure that your audio is working correctly. So this is the screen that the students would come in and join, and this is where you'll hold your conference. So this is the public chat section. So if you chat something in there, it'll pop up. This is the public notes section. So this is where you can add some notes based off the presentation. The users, these are all the different actions you have for the users. And here's where you can lock the viewers, give them access to different things, and here's a list. Now, big blue button is the one who does this, and that's their presentation as soon as you come in. You can also do a poll. So if you had a presentation, you had some questions, you can poll the students, and these are the responses you can choose from. And you can publish that poll when it's done, and students can see that. You can also upload a presentation. So if you have a PDF or a PowerPoint you'd like to present to the students, you can do that. Or you can include a link. So if you had a outside video like YouTube and you wanted to share it, you can do that. Here's where you would allow your video camera or your audio camera and some of the controllers down on the bottom that you have as a teacher. You can also record the session and you can pause the session. That'll allow students to go later and watch it. So this is a slide that's already built in, so you can change the slides. And on the right, you have some controllers that you can use as you present. And one of them is inking. And you can choose different colored inks. And you'd have to use your mouse unless you have a touch screen for that. And you can actually share this, and you can actually allow the viewers or the students to actually ink on your presentation also if you wanted them to highlight something or annotate something. So these are breakout rooms that you can create where students can go in and collaborate while you're giving the presentation. Maybe you have a problem you want them to solve. The students' names will be here. You can pick the number of rooms and you can shuffle the students around. And I encourage you guys to go to Big Blue Button to their website, which is listed there for more information.